Uline Freezer Repair Authorized Service in Los Angeles is a premier appliance repair service company, employing only factory-trained Uline appliance repair technicians. We service and repair Uline freezers, Uline ice machines, Uline refrigerators, Uline ice makers, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, and Pasadena. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.